Hi, origami friends. This is Leila Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com. We have a great folding challenge this month in the theme of piñata and all that can be Mexican. In keeping with the spirit of that theme, I want to invite you to join me for a live folding session. We will be folding Frida's lips. This model is perfect for playing and placing a happy smile on your face. We will meet via Zoom on Saturday, May 10 at 2 p.m. That's New York City time zone. You will need just one square piece of paper, red or any other lip color. Fold along with me and ask questions. We have limited spots for this class, so you need to register in advance. To reserve your place, please click the registration link in the video description. I can't wait to fold alongside with you on Saturday, May 10th, 2 p.m. Register now to join us.